Alright, y'all, I'm about to vacuum out my Nissan Altima here. Share with you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. Sometimes it's best to leave the mats in. I got the car cleaned all up, as you can see here. Got that bad baby clean. You that mother speed wax on her. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. Got the crystals on the tires. Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Check this out. Inside dirty. So let's get in and see what can we do with it. Sometimes best to leave the mats in. You can actually pull the trash out. Inside, look how quick it's actually pulling up the dirt and stuff here. Look here. Sometimes best to leave the mats in the car. The back of the mat and everything. Unless the seat's under the rug, but a lot of times that ain't happening like that right there. You can get on there, see that? Look at this. It'll get all there, look at this. Y'all see how quick we got there? Okay, we'll take this top mat out, watch this. And sometimes best to leave the mats in the car and backing all of it at the same time. Look here. How quick it's going is. Y'all see how good it's going here? Pick up everything, see. Look at that. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. Okay. Y'all see how quick that is here? Look at all that trash I picked up. Stop playing with him. Look at that. Sometimes it's best to leave the mats in the car. Look at that thing clean, ain't it? Stop playing with him. Look at that. Stop playing with me. Alright, y'all, hit that subscribe, man. I'm gonna dump this thing. But y'all see what I'm saying? Sometimes best to leave the mat in and back in the car. I'm out of here, man. Peace.